Here are the unbelievable twists in Diddy's trials, and this is according to an eyewitness present inside the court. First, during the emergency raid in Diddy's jail quarters, the prosecution confiscated pieces of evidence that prove that Diddy is influencing the witnesses to reverse their statements, and these pieces of evidence are notes handwritten by Diddy himself.
Prosecutors have accused Diddy of trying to influence, either through bribes or blackmail, potential witnesses while behind bars. Assistant U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic said that the papers taken from his cell, 11 pages and 8 pages of a calendar book, feature Diddy's writings about paying off witnesses and finding dirt on victims. The assistant U.S. attorney says, quote, "A witness was paid off, and finding dirt on 2 different victims is not privilege."
Second, prosecutors allege that Diddy is paying someone to go after his accusers.
Diddy called a family member to work with someone who is not a lawyer about finding information about an accuser. That is not privileged.
Third, the shocking video used by Cassie Ventura, Diddy's ex, to sue him was not a simple couple's quarrel, because during the trial, it was revealed that when the CCTV footage was filmed, Cassie was trying to escape a freak-off party.
There was another point in the hearing I want to highlight, and this centered around, once again, the infamous 2016 videotape that was published by CNN earlier this year of Combs purportedly beating his ex-girlfriend Cassandra Ventura in a hotel hallway while he was just wearing a towel. And prosecutors have suggested that Sean Combs attacked her as she was escaping a freak-off, a clear example of sex trafficking.
Fourth, the trial confirmed that Diddy is indeed a lawbreaker even behind bars.
The Bureau of Prisons handbook prohibits this. The main idea, he doesn't follow the rules on the inside, he can't be expected to follow the rules on the outside.
But the most shocking thing is, even with all the strong pieces of evidence, Diddy might probably be free soon. Diddy could be out of jail soon.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, especially when it comes to Diddy winning in court. As I previously told you all, Kim Porter's baby daddy and Cassie's ex-boyfriend was scheduled to appear in a Manhattan courtroom today. He showed up and won multiple victories. First, even before the hearing started, Diddy arrived without shackles.
So his first win was to appear in court without shackles like any other people in conflict with the law. But the next win is quite shocking because all the strong evidence the prosecution gathered during the emergency sweep in Diddy's cell cannot be used against him. Unfortunately, Diddy's lawyers argued that these are personal notes covered by lawyer-client confidentiality.
Another win for Diddy is the judge ordered that prosecutors destroy all copies of his handwritten notes and all of the information gathered from the cell sweep. However, the judge says that the originals should stay with him in the court, and he will at a later date determine whether it will be admissible or not in court.
And the most anticipated win of Diddy is of course related to his conditional freedom. Will he continue getting wins in court? And is it really possible for Diddy to be released by paying $50 million?
So, he scored some wins today, but will he continue his winning streak on Friday? I think not. The likelihood of Diddy being released on bail, even with his proposal of $50 million and round-the-clock surveillance and no access to the internet or a phone and a visitor log.
This is the same question on everyone's mind. Will Diddy be free from jail soon? Let's wait and see. And that's the latest news. High five.